दोस्तों स्वागत है आपका। मेरा नाम मोहित में। तो आज की वीडियो में मैं लेके आया हूँ अपने स्टूडेंट का फीडबैक। तो अंत तक देखिए स्पेशल 26 के स्टूडेंट्स का फीडबैक। लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब दोस्तों। थैंक यू सो मच। लास्ट तक देखना दोस्तों, ठीक है। मिस मत करना एक भी पार्ट।
I'm Devanshi Dev from Varanasi and I'm a member of the group Special 26, which is run by Mohit sir. So I just wanted to share my experience with you all because I think it has really been a wonderful one, and it was my best decision to join his classes in this lockdown period, apart from wasting my time on other stuff like let's not talk about it. So we have 2 hour online sessions every day in which we are provided with a lot of knowledge like about the companies, about physics, chemistry, maths, the important topics which will help you in the exams, in the sponsorshipping exams, in the IMB exams, and especially in the interviews. So like we have lecture dates, we have online speaking classes, and also since Mohit sir has a lot of friends, so we communicate through them and clear any of our doubts if we have regarding anything. And especially we are given homework, online homework. Actually I never thought that I'll be doing an online homework in this lockdown period, but I really like it because we are given specific topics or specific subjects like this, and you will be giving tests on a specific date. So it will be a really good one because that spirit of competition will be there, healthy competition. And we all are friends in the group, so we also share our notes. Like if I have some notes, I can share it with the members of the group, and they are also very helpful. They guys, everyone in the group shares it. So the best thing in the end will be there that first of all we'll be giving an all-over test which will include physics, chemistry, maths, English, and general aptitude like that of IMU set. And I want to tell you guys one thing. Mohit sir is a very good observer. I can bet you on that. He's a really very good observer. He'll be observing you throughout with your communication skills and your personality and physics, chemistry, maths. He'll be guiding you. He's a very good mentor. Excellent mentor. I'm so glad that I got him as my mentor. So in the end you will be getting your report about your strengths and about your weaknesses as well, and you will be told by Mohit sir to work upon your weaknesses, because according to him we need to work on our weaknesses. Strengths are always there, we need to work upon that as well, otherwise it will become our weaknesses. But we have to especially work on our weaknesses and improve them. So it will be a really wonderful one if you guys join it. So just I have shared my experience about the whole session so that you guys can also avail the benefits. So like, subscribe and share, and join his classes if you want to. Thank you so much.
Hello guys, today I am Mukul Sansanwal. I am here to share my personal experience in the batch Special 26. I joined this batch from 4th April and I improve a lot. First, I always hesitate to speak in front of anyone, but after joining this batch, Mohit sir removed my hesitation, and now I can speak in front of anyone, anytime, anywhere. Mohit sir gives us live classes on regular basis. In these classes, Mohit sir brings different people who are the part of Merchant Navy, and they tell us how to prepare for the sponsorship exam and how to give you your interview. Mohit sir also gives us special tips for the interview. I can say that I improve a lot in this batch. Thank you sir, thank you a lot.
Hello everyone, my name is Kumail Siddiqui and I am the student of one of the most awesome class Special 26 leading by Mohit sir. In this class we not only study but also get the tips and tricks to clear all the Merchant Navy related exams by Mohit sir. The most appreciative thing about Mohit sir is he's a friend-like teacher and he clears all the doubts of the students at any instant of time. He has prepared a timetable for us and implementing it very well. What should I say about Mohit sir? No words for Mohit sir. The timetable includes exam preparation, personal interview, etc. So in short, I am very thankful for Mohit sir for molding me into a confident guy, and I am very thankful for initiating this class and for inculcating a desire in me to join Merchant Navy and to be passionate regarding Merchant Navy. So thanks a lot sir.
Hello friends, myself Sumedha Ramteke and I am the member of the Special 26 batch, so I want you all to know about that. In that group on weekly basis tests have been conducted. The cadets share their experience weekly. Daily 2 hours of live classes also taken in that group. If any person is having any doubts related to the study and all, they can share in the group or personally to Mohit sir. They all give the quick response of that question. that person get and all the members of the group are very helpful. They help each other in each and every problem. The most important thing is that Mohit sir takes the initiative in making us to be sponsored and get admission in the in our dream college. So I think the group which is provided by Mohit sir is very good. They all take the special initiative to make us be sponsored, take admission in our dream college. They also are taking their hard work to get admission, and we also have to give our 100% in that group. We also have to listen all the things which Mohit sir told us to be done. All the important topics have been given in that group. All the important means the tips for the interview and all these things have been provided in that group. So I request you all that it is the best thing that Mohit sir have just started, and I thank everyone.
Hello, I am Abhishek Kanungo. I am going to share my personal experience with you related to Special 26 batch, which is running by Mohit sir. As in that batch, the lectures are so interesting that make me eager to listen it. The lectures are with the real-time example, which help us to understand better. In that classes, Mohit sir provide us various types of information regarding merchant navy, which help us to boost up our confidence in front of interviewers. Recently, Mohit sir has started personal interview, which help us to improve our communication skills and enhances our knowledge and help us to improve our vocabulary. So in last, I want to say thanks to Mohit sir for sharing us such a great experience with us. Thanks a lot, sir.
हाय एवरीवन, माय नेम इज़ साहिल। देखो, मोहित सर की क्लास बहुत अच्छे क्लास है। इट्स अ वेरी गुड प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर स्टूडेंट्स दोज आर इंटरेस्टेड इन मर्चेंट नेवी। आई लाइक दिस मोहित सर ऑनलाइन क्लासेस एंड मोहित सर गाइडिंग वेरी वेल। मोहित सर हमारे लिए बहुत अच्छी तरह से मेहनत कर रहे हैं। रात भर हमारे लिए वीडियो बना रहे हैं, लाइव क्लास ले रहे हैं। दिन में 2 बार 3 बार जैसे उनके पास टाइम मिल रहा है वैसे हमारे लिए लाइव क्लास ले रहे हो। और स्पॉन्सरशिप एग्ज़ाम्स एंड IMUCT की प्रिपरेशन बहुत अच्छी तरह से कर रहे हैं और हमारे लिए मटेरियल, स्टडी मटेरियल प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं। और इंग्लिश के लिए भी बहुत अच्छे तरीके से हमको समझ में ले रहे, पर्सनल इंटरव्यू ले रहे लाइव क्लास में, एंड हमको गाइडेंस कर रहे कि हाउ टू फेस इंटरव्यू एंड स्पॉन्सरशिप एग्ज़ाम्स एज वेल एज IMUCT एग्ज़ाम्स। बहुत अच्छी तरीके से मोहित सर हमारे ऊपर मेहनत कर रहे हैं। आई लाइक दिस वेरी ऑसम मोहित सर क्लासेस एंड मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि आप भी क्लास ज्वाइन करो। टेलीग्राम पे सर ने लिंक दी है। थैंक यू सर।
Hello guys, I'm Siya Mishra from Super 26 batch which is running by Mohit sir, and today I am sharing my experience with you. So basically in this batch we got daily live classes by Mohit sir in which he provide us with a lot of content that are very useful for the IMUCT exams as well as for the sponsorship tests that are conducted by the companies. He also take our personal interview and mock test on a regular basis, and he also used to call the guys which are already in merchant navy and they share their experience with us that motivate us a lot. And Mohit sir himself is a very good motivator, and I feel very blessed to have a mentor like him. And if you also want to get a sponsor, then please like, comment and share his channel Mariner Mohit right now. Thank you guys.
My name is Aman Khan and I'm here to share my personal experience with you. Like, I'm the part of the batch with Mohit sir is running. So let me tell you that what are we getting in that batch. We are used to get 2 hours of live class on daily basis, and if someone are shy about something they can ask them personally. Like Mohit sir reply as soon as possible to him. He gave his personal contacts to us for contacting on Telegram, and he's also updating us with the latest interview questions. Like, he have many contacts, so he's updating us with that also, and he's also guiding us about our studies, like on which topic we have to focus more on. And in the same way he's taking our personal interview also, so that we get confident about the interview which are going to give in the sponsorship exams. And he's also making a report for us so that we can work on our weakness rather than wasting our time on different things. So all these things we are getting in that batch. Thank you so much.
When I have not joined Mohit sir, I don't know much about the merchant navy, but after joining his live lecture, I can confidently say that मैं अपने किसी भी दोस्त को मर्चेंट नेवी के बारे में सब कुछ समझा सकता हूँ। all credit goes to Mohit sir. He just came as an angel to my life. और मेरे को तो लगता है कभी वो सोते ही नहीं है, क्योंकि जब भी हम में से कोई भी उनको डाउट पूछता है ना, मिनटों में वो डाउट क्लियर कर देता है. कभी भी 24/7 कभी भी पूछेंगे कभी भी. एंड मोहित सर, थैंक्स फॉर कमिंग इन माई लाइफ. लव यू.
दोस्तों मजा आ गया फीडबैक देख के? तो अगर आपको भी ऐसा ही कुछ फीडबैक देना है आगे जाके, मतलब इसी तरह की का स्टडी मटेरियल और इसी तरह का तुम्हें क्लासेस अटेंड करना है रेगुलर बेसिस पे, ऑन द स्पॉट ऐसे राइटिंग, ऑन द स्पॉट लेक्चरेट, पर्सनल इंटरव्यू टेक्निक्स, और गाइस तुम्हारी रिपोर्ट लास्ट में, और एक तीनों सब्जेक्ट का इंडिविजुअली टेस्ट, पीसीएम का, और लास्ट में IMCT होगा जो बिल्कुल सैंपल उसी की तरह होता है. सो गाइस अगर इन सब चीजों का तुम लेने वाले हो फी, अगर चाहते हो तुम ये सब एक्सपीरियंस करो, तो गाइस नीचे मेरी इंस्टाग्राम आईडी है जो मेरी क्लास की है, mariner_mohit_classes, MARINER_MOHIT_CLASSES classes. सो गाइज नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन पे क्लिक करो, फॉलो करो, मुझे मैसेज करो कि सर वांट टू जॉइन द क्लास. आई टेल यू द डिटेल्स गाइज. गो फास्ट. 22 अप्रैल से रजिस्ट्रेशन स्टार्ट होने वाला है. और एक और गाइज तुम लोगों से शेयर कर लेना चाहता हूं बात मैं, वो कि ये बात है, ये जो बैच होगा ये आखिरी बैच होगा. इस सैडली बोलना पड़ रहा है बट ये बैच आखिरी होगा, तो इसलिए 40 नहीं स्पेशल 50 का बैच है. सो गाइस करो एनरोल फटाफट, जितनी जल्दी हो पाएगा उतनी जल्दी करो, ताकि तुम लोग स्पेशल 50 में आ जाओ. अगर 50 सीट भर गए फिर मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता गाइस, सो आई एम सो सॉरी फॉर दैट, क्योंकि बाद में फिर मैं नहीं ले पाऊंगा. 50 है, 50 हो जाएंगे. सो गाइस मैसेज करो, डीएम करो, मरीना मोहित क्लासेस में मैसेज करो, नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक दे रखा है, और जितनी चीजें हैं मैं तुम्हें वहां बता दूंगा, और वहां तुम्हें बाकी इन्फॉर्मेशन मिल जाएगी. सो गाइस थैंक यू सो मच. मैं और गुडलिन से तुम्हें वहां पे स्पेशल 50 के बैच के लिए करेंगे सिलेक्ट. चलो गाइस कुछ तुम्हें वहां इंट्रोड्यूस करने हैं क्वेश्चंस, कुछ आंसर करने हैं क्वेश्चन के, और अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस करना है, अपने आप को बताना है कैसे हो कैसे नहीं हो, ताकि मैं तुम्हें वहां पे ले पाऊं, सिलेक्ट कर पाऊं और जान पाऊं. सो रेडी हो जाओ. सिलेक्ट होने के बाद एक टाइम टेबल फॉलो करना पड़ेगा, शेड्यूल फॉलो करना पड़ेगा गाइस. तो बी रेडी. थैंक यू सो मच. लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कर लेना दोस्तों.